Assalamualaikum. Good morning, my students. Today we start mathematics class 2 chapter 3 give and take further topics. As earlier I already explained you some few techniques of addition subtractions regarding this class. Okay, so now let's see further topics. Next is write the given numbers in a 4 different ways. So here you can see the numbers are given. This number you have to denote it in the different ways, right? So how you can denote it? So for let's see with first example 59. So if first number is 59, so first I am expanding this number. So how you can expand? So the way you are speaking, like 59. So 50 plus 9. Now second, from 50 I am taking 10 and this 10 I am giving to the next number, that is 9. So 9 become 90 and 50 become 10 taken, so 40. So next way is 40 plus 19. Understood? Now from 40 again I am taking 10 and this 10 I am given to 19. So 19 becomes 29 and 40 becomes 30. So next is 30 plus 29. And last is the same for all, that we are adding only simply 0 in it. So 59 plus 0. So these are the 4 different ways. Next is 78. So expand it the way you are speaking, 78. So 70 plus 8. Now from 17, first I am taking 10 and this 10 I am given to the 8. So 8 becomes 18 and 70 becomes 60. So 60 plus 18. This is your second way. Now third way is from 70 I am taking 40. 40 and given to the 8. So 8 becomes 48 and from 70 I am take 40. So remaining how many? 30. So next is 30 plus 48. And last is same as I already explained you. We have to add 0. So 78 plus 0. Next is 102. So expand this number, 100 plus 2. Right from 100 I am taking 10 and this 10 I am given to the next number 2. So 2 becomes 12. So 90 plus 12. This is your second way of this number. Now from 100 I am taking 30 and this 30 I am given to the 2. So 100 becomes 70 and 2 becomes 32. So 70 plus 32 and last is same 100, 102 plus 0. Understood this way? You are 4 way different ways to writing numbers. Alright. Now next is card game. So one day Bubbly and Gopu were playing. Bubbly gave 3 numbers to Gopu. He arranged cards in 2 ways. So here you can see the 3 cards of 150, 120 and 30. Now what you have to do? So here above you can see 3 cards. Now using this card you have to make any mathematical equation using signs like plus, minus or equals to. Right, so here I am showing you the different way. First I am using minus and equal to making this equation. So here you can see that I am using minus 150 minus 120. If I subtracting, I'll get answer 30. Now same, if I am from 150 I am subtracting 30, I'll get answer 120 using minus and equals. Now next I am using plus and equal. So in 120 if I am adding 30, so I will get 150 and same like in 30 I am adding 120, I will get 150. So here you can see easily the different arrangement. Understood this using the card game? Okay. Now next is a practice time. Solve the following. So your first sum is 345 plus 52. So first I am arranging this number into 100 tens and ones place. So how I am arranging? First number 345. So 3 at 100 place, 4 at tens and 5 at ones. Now here you can see 52. There is no 100 place number is given. So 5 I'll put at directly at a tens place and 2 at a ones place, right? 100 place no number, so I just keep empty. Then plus I am putting. Now I am starting addition with the places of start from the ones place. So 5 plus 2 7 and tens place 4 plus 5. So 4 plus 5 what you get? 9. And here 100 plus only 3 number is there, so your answer is 3. Right, so if you are doing 345 plus 52, what you will get answer? 397. Understood? Okay, now next is 492 plus 29. So first what you have to do? You just have to arrange the numbers in 100 tens and ones. So at 100 place I am putting number 4, tens place 9 and ones place 2. Right. Now next is again 2 digit number. So I am writing that only consider only tens and ones place, not the 100 place. So 2 at a tens place and 9 at a ones place. Then I am putting plus sign. So I am starting the addition of from the ones place. So 2 plus 9, we all know 2 plus 9, 11. So as I already explained you, 11 I can't write directly at the ones place. So how I will write? So here you can see that ones place 1. according this 1 place 1 I am putting at a 1's place, right? And this 10's place 1 I am putting at a 10's place, and this one is called as a carry over. You all know that, right? Now I am adding the 10's place all number and this carry over also. So 1 plus 9 10 and 10 plus 2 12, right? So now 12 again 2 digit number, so we can't write. So what you have to do, this 1's place 2 I am putting at the 10's place, and this 10's place 1 I am putting at a 100 place as a carry over. This is also called carry over. Right? Now I am adding 100 places number with carry over. So 1 plus 4, that is 5. So your answer is 521. Understood this sum? Okay, let's see more example. Next is a 684 plus 228. So again I am arranging number 684, then 100 plus 2, 10's plus 2 and 1's place 8. Plus I am putting, so I am starting addition with the places of 1. So we are for 4 plus 8. So we all know 4 plus 8, what you will get? 12. So like as I already explained you, 2 at a 1's place and this 10's place 1 at a 10's place as a carry over, right? Now adding 10's plus 10's place is number 8 plus 1 9 plus 2, that is 11. So again 2 digit number. So what you have to do, 1's place 1 at a 10's place and this 10's place 1 at a 100 place as a carry over. Now 100 place all the number plus carry over also. So 6 plus 1 7 plus 2 9. So your answer is 912. Understood that addition? Next is 764 minus 534. So here we have to do, see sign is minus, we have to do the subtraction. So 764, then 534, then minus I am also putting. So I'll start subtraction using the ones, starting from the ones place. So 4 minus 4, you all know same number subtraction, what you will get? 0, right? Okay. Now next 10's place, 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3, if I am doing any guesses, what you will get? Yes, you get 3, right? Now next last is 7 minus 5. So if I am subtracting, what you will get? 2, right? Understood this subtraction also? Okay. Now next I am showing you subtraction, that is new way of a new technique for you. So 523 minus 219. So first I am arranging this number 523, then 2 1 and 9, 219. Then I am putting minus sign also. Now I am starting subtraction from the ones place. So here 3 minus 9. Here you can see 3 is a smaller number than 9. So you can't subtract from smaller number to bigger number, right? So what you have to do, suppose, for example, if you don't have a pencil in your class, so what you are doing? You are asking to your neighbor friends that do you have extra pencil? So like this, 3 has nothing to give to 9. So 3 what you are doing? So 3 are also asking to its neighbor that if I'll get something so that I can give to the 9. So whenever you are feeling like this that I can't subtract, so you just have to go to the neighborhood number and ask for a to borrow something, right? So this is called borrowing. So for borrowing I have to cut 2 and whatever number is over here, from that you have to minus 1. So if I am subtracting from 2 minus 1, what you will get? You will get 1. What you will get? 2 minus 1, that is 1. So 2 cut and here you have to write down 1. And here 3, again we have to, this one is called as a borrowing. Understood what is meaning of borrowing? Now, so getting borrowing, so 3 becomes 13. What becomes 13? So whatever number we have to add, write 1 over there. So 13 minus 9. So what you will get? 13 minus 9, 4, right? Now 1 minus 1, you all know same number, 0. Then 5 minus 2. So 5 minus 2, what you will get? 3. Understood this? This is the borrowing new concept for you all, right? Okay, let's I'll explain you the next example. Okay, next is 810 minus 594. So I am arranging at 100 ones, 10s and 1s place, subtraction put also. So I'll start from the 1s place, 0 minus 4. Here you can see 0. 0 means nothing. So again we can't subtract from 0, 4 number, right? So for that what we have to do? We have to do the borrowing. We have to ask our neighbor. So here I'm doing borrowing, 1 cut, 1 minus 1, what you will get? 0, right? If I'm doing 1 minus 1, whatever number is there, so 0, right? Now and 0 becomes 10. So here you can see 0 in whatever number, 1 we have to write down. So 3 become 13, like this 0 become 10, right? So now 10 minus 4, now we can do, right? 6. Now again see 0 minus 9. Can we do 0 minus 9? No. So now for that also what we have to do? Again we have to ask for a borrowing, right? So let's go to the neighbor. Neighbor number is 8. So for borrowing 8 cut, what you will get? 7 minus 1, so and 0 becomes 10, Right, now from 10 we can subtract 9. So 10 minus 9 we all know we get 1. And here from 7 we have to minus 5. So 7 minus 5 what you will get? 2. So your answer is 2.